Hey guys, it is almost midnight on December 31st, 2013, and when the ball drops all the way down and the new year starts, I'm gonna celebrate the big way and I'm gonna empty my train horn tanks. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm sorry about the video quality, but the Christmas lights are already down this year. So just for the sound, here we go. Setting up the camera, a few seconds left. Here we go. Happy New Year, guys.